like super cute like that.
I know, his little mouth.
You talking about Jason?
His little mouth.
Aww.
Using my Jedi powers on him.
We're on our way to church, and then we're gonna go to our friend's house. The Haymans, they're making us lunch because for the next few weeks we still have to stay in Fayetteville, which is not that far from our house, but it's just not super worth it to drive all the way home. So we intended to get out of the house at 9:45. I'd call this a win. Would you call it a win?
We intentionally say 9:45 so that way we can leave the house at 10.
So I just found out about Kiddle. Apparently Google has a new search engine just for kids to where they can search butts to their heart's content without finding actual sexy photos of butts or, as the article said, twerking videos.
What kid is searching for twerking?
No, they search for butts and then they find twerking. They're saying they can search for butts now and just find information about butts. not sexy photos of butts.
The Toxis Maximus.
We told our teenager that that was his new search engine.
What's up?
Hey.
Are you vlogging?
No.
Yeah, you are. Yeah, you are.
What's up? What do we got for this morning?
We got a little Jesus worship and
Okay, no more.
Well, good morning. I'm Charlie, lead pastor here. Man, if you're new, again, I just want to welcome you and say we're glad that you're here.
How you doing?
oh, is that all?
You gotta be nerdy whenever you Jeez. You trying not to look at the camera? You trying not to look? Don't look at the camera. Don't look at it.
So we picked up our kids from the nursery at church, and the baby had peed through his pants, so he was wearing no pants, and he was fussing, and Grady had no shoes on and had lost his hat and was wandering around in just his socks, and they were the last ones in the room, so we were just the winning parents for today.
So we're at our friends the Haymans' house today. Hi, Rachel.
Hey there, Bryan.
Well, we gave him a grab, but he's on a bad
Anybody else feeling yucky?
I've got this gluten-free biscuit next.
Rachel is a cool decorator. She does awesome stuff all the time. Rachel made her own mantle. She doesn't have a fireplace, so she made her own fireplace. That's how awesome Rachel is.
Hey, you're filming in my house?
This is the wall of the Haymans' friends. But we made the wall. We're so happy. You can't see my face, which is probably a good thing. This is not very helpful for the diet. So good. Happy Sunday!
be set up for Dave Ramsey's financial piece.
We're teaching FP right now, but we're going over our own budget while the video rolls, and someone's a little cranky about it.
So just a little bit about our church. We've been going here for almost 6 years. We love it. So there's been several families, including our pastor, that have gone through the foster care adoption. And when we got the little baby, the whole church just really rallied around us. And so that obviously makes it easier to do foster care and adoption. So if you're thinking about doing it, you should definitely do it. But make sure you have your community to really support you and stuff through that. So that's definitely a must. Trump is pro-choice? What does that mean?
And lots of Bible studying.
She did do her BSF study yesterday.
What?
Say hey.
No. You don't tell me what to do.
It's good to see you, Connor.
Yeah, I think so too.